Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the cosine rule. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. The cosine rule. If the information given in a problem does not allow us to use the sine rule, then we may be able to use the cosine rule. The cosine rule is as follows. So we have our normal triangle here with the three letters designating the angles and the three letters designating the sides. Here's the cosine rule here, expressed in three separate equations, but we only use one equation, depending on what we have to find. Now example 1 will illustrate this perfectly. We have a triangle here with two given sides and the included angle, and we have to find A to 3 decimal places. So here is the formula we use. We substitute into the formula to arrive at that line. Now you notice here I have minus cos 80, so you remember from previous videos that the cos of 100 is minus cos 80 because this is in the second quadrant and cos is negative in the second quadrant, and that's the acute angle formed by the ray and the x-axis. So cos of 100 is the same as minus cos 80. So we continue to simplify through here and we arrive at a squared equals 71.416. We find the square root of that, and there is the value of A to 3 decimal places. Finding an unknown angle. The cosine rule can also be used to find an unknown angle. The three formulae on the preceding slide can be rearranged to arrive at the following. All we do is we make cos A, cos B, and cos C the subject, and that's what we have. Now, let's see how we use one of these equations. Of course, we can only use one at any given time. In this example here, we have to find the sides of angle B, so that's this angle here, to 3 decimal places. Now, using the second formula on the left, because we have to find B, we have cos B equals that, which is exactly the same as this formula here. We substitute into the formula, direct substitution. After simplification, we have cos B equals 0.6625. So B is the inverse cos of that number. So B is 48.509 degrees to 3 decimal places. Here's a quick quiz to help you. Please check through the video at any time. The answer to the puzzle. What is the meaning of the following? Default. And I've given you a clue here. D, fall, T. See that? I think you can work that out. Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and the video is at your disposal. If you found this video useful, please subscribe on the next slide. You'll receive a notification when the next video is available. Please share with your friends. Hope to see you next lesson.